Welcome to our video on exploring the foundations of data mining. Today, we'll delve into the field of data science, its evolution, and its future. Let's get started. In this presentation, we'll define and explore the field of data science. We'll analyze the interplay between computer science, statistics, and data science. We'll trace the evolution and historical landmarks of data science. Finally, we'll discuss current applications and potential future advancements in data science. First, let's define data science. It's an interdisciplinary field focused on discovering patterns and describing relationships using data. It incorporates techniques from computer science and statistics, with applications in building models, making predictions, and visualizing data. Now, let's compare computer science, statistics, and data science. Computer science involves developing software, protecting systems, and designing algorithms. Statistics focuses on designing experiments, deriving models, and interpreting results. Data science overlaps both fields, concentrating on analyzing, storing, and visualizing data. Next, we'll trace some historical milestones in data science. In 1962, John Tukey published The Future of Data Analysis. The term, data science, was introduced by Peter Noer in 1974. Python was released in 1991, followed by R in 1993. In 2012, the Harvard Business Review called data scientist the sexiest job of the 21st century. Let's discuss some data science methods. Statistical methods include hypothesis testing, regression, and analysis of variance. Machine learning techniques involve clustering, decision trees, and support vector machines. Artificial intelligence methods include neural networks, deep learning, and image recognition. Here's an example of data analysis in Python. The code snippet imports necessary libraries, reads a CSV file, and plots a column of data. This demonstrates how data science tools can be used to visualize data. Looking ahead, the future of data science is promising. We expect increasing integration of AI and machine learning, advancements in data storage and processing, and the continued development of new models and techniques. In summary, data science combines computer science and statistics to analyze data. The field has evolved significantly since the 1960s, employing methods from statistical analysis, machine learning, and AI. Data science has broad applications and a bright future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.